I have discovered that teachers have the following frustrations: kids not learning well, discipline, motivation, stress, and overwhelm. Whoo!
So just every day felt very chaotic, and like there would be at least one moment every day where I would just lose control of the classroom and things would escalate.
Okay, hush. I don't want to hear nothing. Quiet. Can you tell him to stop knocking me? He's doing too much. He's distracting me.
But also physical things, and just like that sense of safety coming to school we didn't have. Not like this was a learning environment, because we would struggle through all of the learning.
It's not fair. They love to say that. So when I'm like redirecting them, they love to say that, oh, you're only picking on me. And I'm like, you just see me redirect all these other students. They don't choose to see that. So
there's so many situations within the classroom social situations that they have to deal with on a daily basis, and they just have beef with each other. They still have beef with each other. So one will say something and the other might, make a comment under their breath, and then it escalates into this like match where they're, roasting each other, calling each other names. Like in the middle of a lesson that I'm teaching,
Yeah. She's mad at me. Like one day, I just walk by, her friends talk to me, we get along, we play a game. She comes over like, what are you doing? She walks away after I talk with her for a little while, and then she looks at me at the desk, stare across from the whole entire outside playground. She's staring at me when I'm playing Foursquare. I turn it around, and then I see her up there. Someone has a spy in the school. She's got staring problems.
Like sometimes zoning out and then like forgetting what the teacher said, because sometimes I do that. It's like I would focus on like one or two things that aren't a part of the class, like by accident, because I get distracted. Yes.
Now, you probably want a way to solve that stuff. Fortunately, I can help you do that. Now, understand, all of these problems tend to be at the subconscious level. That means the solution needs to be at the subconscious level. That is what I'm going to show you how to do. How to attack these issues at the level where it's most effective and where you don't have to struggle. So all of you who don't want to struggle, you want to overcome those struggles and find the freedom to bring out the best in yourself and your students, come to this first PD.
And then just as they came in that day, you were so calm, and you made me, as they came to the carpet, and I was just like, everyone was on the carpet, crisscross, like waiting, because they were like intrigued by what was happening, because it felt different for everybody. And I felt like very like hopeful for the first time that year. So, yeah.
I'm calm. It allows me to have a classroom that's much more calm. It allows me to have much stronger relationships with my students.
I've noticed they've taken more accountability. So I have seen some that, well, instead of them asking, when they go into that mindset, why me, or you're just picking on me.
Right.
So I was asking her some of these questions, and she was getting really reflective instead of just shutting me out. So it really helped.
I noticed this morning I came in really calm and still having like firm boundaries with them. They matched my calm energy when I came in, and felt more at ease. My best line I'd seen in months. And then they got it, I was like, what?